In a world driven by consumerism, it's easy to find ourselves spending money on things we don't really need. Welcome to Wealthway, your go-to channel for financial insights, business, and entrepreneurship. In this video, we're going to delve into Warren Buffett's wisdom to uncover 14 things that poor people often waste their hard-earned money on. But don't worry, we'll also share some frugal living tips to help you achieve financial independence. Don't miss out! Subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening insights. Number 1. New things. Warren Buffett's first lesson is a reminder of the value in repurposing, borrowing, or renting instead of buying new items. In a consumerist era, it's crucial to evaluate the necessity of every purchase. Before reaching for your wallet, consider if there's something in your home you can use in its place. If not, explore the option of borrowing or renting. By avoiding unnecessary new purchases, you can save money and reduce clutter in your life, aligning your spending habits with the principles of frugal living that Warren Buffett himself has advocated. 2. Smoking. Warren Buffett's second piece of advice addresses a costly and unhealthy habit: smoking. Not only does smoking harm your health, but it also takes a substantial toll on your finances. The expenses can quickly add up, especially if you smoke regularly. In the long run, quitting smoking not only improves your health, but also frees up a significant amount of money. While it may be challenging to break the habit, the financial and health benefits make it a worthwhile endeavor. Warren Buffett's avoidance of smoking throughout his life is a testament to its financial wisdom. 3. Junk food. Warren Buffett's perspective on junk food emphasizes the importance of balance. While it's acceptable to indulge in chocolate, chips, and candies occasionally, many people make the mistake of incorporating these items into their daily diets. Unlike Warren Buffett, who considers a visit to McDonald's his primary meal of the day, excessive junk food consumption can lead to unhealthy eating habits and financial waste. To maintain a healthier lifestyle and save money, treat junk food as an occasional reward rather than a daily staple. By doing so, you can enjoy these treats without compromising your well-being or budget. 4. Self-improvement. Warren Buffett's insight underscores the value of self-investment. The more knowledge and skills you acquire, the better equipped you are to make sound financial decisions and secure your financial independence. Investing in your education, whether through reading investment books, personal finance literature, or educational YouTube channels like Investors Weekly, is crucial. By continuously expanding your knowledge, you enhance your financial capabilities, enabling you to save and grow your wealth. In alignment with Warren Buffett's philosophy, consider self-improvement as one of the most valuable investments you can make. 5. Gambling. Warren Buffett's perspective on gambling emphasizes its potential for financial loss. While it can be enjoyable, it's easy to fall into the trap of overspending on gambling activities. The allure of winning big can lead to substantial financial setbacks. To enjoy the thrill responsibly, set a strict budget for gambling and adhere to it. Whether it's buying lottery tickets, scratch cards, or participating in poker games, limit your expenditures to prevent excessive losses. Like Warren Buffett, who avoids this form of risk-taking, responsible gambling ensures that entertainment doesn't come at the cost of your financial stability. 6. Spending too much on restaurants. Warren Buffett's wisdom advises against overspending on dining out. While eating at restaurants can be a convenient way to unwind after a long day, it often comes with a hefty price tag. Spending excessively on restaurant meals can quickly deplete your finances. Consider that a meal costing $5 at home might cost you 3 times that amount, or $15 at a restaurant. Saving $10 a day by cooking at home can make a significant difference in your monthly budget. If you're short on time, explore easy recipes and utilize kitchen appliances like slow cookers or pressure cookers for quick, cost-effective meals. 7. Too many personal products. Warren Buffett's frugal living advice extends to personal products. Evaluate your expenses on perfumes, makeup, nail care, skincare, shaving products, and more. Determine which products you genuinely need and consider cutting out unnecessary ones. Even a small reduction in personal product spending, such as a 25% reduction, can result in substantial monthly savings. Following Warren Buffett's approach, prioritize essentials and consider more cost-effective alternatives when available. By streamlining your personal product expenses, you can increase your financial stability while still meeting your needs. 8. Unused subscriptions. In today's era of streaming services, it's easy to accumulate subscriptions for various platforms. Warren Buffett's financial wisdom suggests regularly reviewing your subscriptions. Avoid automatic renewals as they can lead to unnecessary expenses. Instead, manually assess whether you actively use each subscription. If a streaming service goes unused for more than a week, consider canceling it. By adopting this approach, you can eliminate unnecessary expenses and allocate your resources more efficiently, adhering to Warren Buffett's frugal living principles for financial independence. 9. Not using your gym membership. Warren Buffett's advice on unused gym memberships stresses the importance of canceling them. Many individuals purchase memberships with good intentions, but end up not utilizing them. If you find yourself in this situation, consider canceling your gym membership. Alternatively, if you're hesitant about committing to a gym, start with free or low-cost exercise options like walking, hiking, or calisthenics. This approach aligns with Warren Buffett's frugal living philosophy, as it prevents unnecessary expenses while promoting physical well-being. 10. Leasing new cars. Leasing new cars can be tempting, but Warren Buffett's perspective emphasizes their financial drawbacks. New cars are costly and depreciate rapidly in value. Instead of leasing, consider purchasing a used vehicle. A used car can provide reliable transportation at a significantly lower price. Warren Buffett himself drives a used car, highlighting the practicality of this approach. By opting for a used vehicle over a new one, you can save a significant amount of money and align your financial choices with Buffett's frugal living principles. 11. Overspending on clothes. Warren Buffett's approach to clothing emphasizes practicality over extravagance. While designer labels may be enticing, they often come with hefty price tags. Buffett himself gets his suits from a seamstress, demonstrating that quality doesn't necessarily require premium brand names. To avoid overspending on clothes, consider shopping at affordable stores that offer high-quality fashion. Alternatively, for special occasions, explore clothing rental services. By adopting these strategies, you can maintain a stylish wardrobe without compromising your financial stability, following Warren Buffett's frugal living guidance for financial independence. 12. New gadgets and devices. Warren Buffett advises caution when it comes to new gadgets and devices. While staying updated with technology can be exciting, it's essential to evaluate whether you genuinely need each new product. Avoid the impulse to upgrade solely for the sake of having the latest device. Instead, replace gadgets and devices when they no longer serve their purpose. By adhering to this approach, you can save significant amounts of money over time and ensure that your technology expenses align with Warren Buffett's frugal living principles. 13. Drinking at bars or restaurants. Warren Buffett's financial wisdom extends to the realm of alcoholic beverages. Drinking at bars or restaurants can quickly lead to overspending, as the prices for drinks often exceed those at stores. To avoid this financial pitfall, plan ahead by enjoying a drink at home before going out or budgeting specifically for drinks when dining out. By implementing these strategies, you can maintain a social life without straining your budget, aligning your spending habits with Warren Buffett's frugal living principles for financial stability. 14. Debt from credit cards. Credit card debt can be financially crippling as it accumulates rapidly with high interest rates. Remember that credit card spending involves borrowing money, which must be repaid with interest. To avoid falling into this trap, adopt aggressive debt repayment strategies like the debt snowball method. If possible, limit credit card usage to situations where you can pay off the balance in full each month. Warren Buffett's advice aligns with responsible credit card use, ensuring that your financial decisions lead to financial independence and not a cycle of debt. Be like Warren Buffett and stick to cash whenever possible. Warren Buffett's frugal living principles can guide you towards financial independence. Take his advice to heart, and you'll find yourself making smarter financial choices. If you've enjoyed these tips, let us know in the comments what you think poor people waste the most money on. And as always, be like Warren Buffett and stick to cash.